Hello class 1. In my previous video, I told you about myself. That was your chapter 1 of EVS. Children, today I'll discuss about our body. That is our chapter 2 in EVS. You will learn in this chapter about your parts of the body. Children, you know many parts we have. I'll tell you about the parts in this chapter and you have to learn some new things about your body in the form of activities and in the form of question answers. You will more understand the chapter. Class 1, subject EVS, chapter 2nd, my body. Our body has many parts and each part has a name. Children, you know our body has many parts and each part has a name. Let's learn about the different parts of our body. Parts of our body: hair, nose, mouth, shoulder, arm, elbow, wrist. Stomach, head, forehead, eye, ear, chin, neck, chest, hand, finger, knee, ankle, foot. Children, I told you 20 parts of your body. Now I'll tell you some functions of some parts. Let's start with the functions of some different parts of our body. Children, you know your hand helps you to write, draw, clap and also pick things. With the help of your hands, you can pick the things, you can write, you can do drawing and you can clap also. We have a left hand and a right hand with 5 fingers in each. Children, we have 2 hands, one is left and one other is right, and we are having 5 fingers in each hand. The thickest finger in each hand is known as thumb. Children, one finger is thickest in each hand, that is known as thumb. Next, legs. Children, you know you have 2 legs that are in pair. That's why it helps us to walk and run, skip and jump, dance and also kick a football while playing. Children, you can move, you can walk, you can run, you can skip, you can play, you can dance, you can kick a football, you can play any other game with the help of your legs. We have 5 toes in each foot. We have 5 toes in each foot, just like the hand has fingers, 5 fingers. Legs have 5 toes in each foot. Mouth. Mouth helps us to speak and eat food. Children, how we can speak? We can speak with the help of mouth. And how can we eat? We can eat with the help of mouth. We have 2 lips and 32 teeth in an adult mouth. How many lips? 2 lips. And how many teeth? 32. But children may have up to 24 teeth. Children, you can have 24 teeth. Next, ears. Children, ears help us to listen. They are also in pair. Pair means they are 2. Ears help us to listen. Whatever we are listening, that is possible by the ears. That are also in pair means they are 2 in our body. Nose. Nose help us to smell things and breathe in and out. Children, breathing is important for our life. That is possible by the nose. So it is helpful to breathe in or breathe out. Eyes. Children, eyes are a very important part. It helps us to see the world around us. These are in pair too. Means they are also 2. We can see anything in the world with the help of eyes only. Hope children you understood about your body and its parts. Now the time to note down your homework, and you have to do this work in your fair copies. Homework. Match the activities with the body parts. Jump, draw, listen, eat. These are your activities. And ear, mouth, hand and foot. These are your body parts. You have to copy down this matching in your fair copy and please match these activities with their part. Second question. Name any 4 body parts that are in pairs. Just now I told you pairs means which body part are 2. That is in pair. You have to write any 4 body parts that are in pairs in our body. Which part of the body help us to write and draw? This you know. Just now I told you. It is very easy. You have to write which is the body part that is help you to write and draw. Fourth question. Which part of the body help us to smell things? Which part of the body help us to smell things? And breathe in and out. Children, which is the part of your body that help you to smell the things and breathe in and out? Question 5. Which part of the body help us to see the world around us? Question 6. Which part of the body help us to speak and eat food? Question 7. Which part of the body help us to walk and run? Question 8. Write the name of 10 body parts. Children, you can write any 10 names of your body parts. Question 9. Collect in 10 body parts pictures and paste it in the notebook. Children, you have to collect any 10 body part pictures and paste it in your notebook. Body part pictures you can find from your previous class books or from any magazine or any newspaper. You can easily find these pictures. You have to cut any 10 pictures. Please paste the pictures and write their names below the picture. Question 10. Draw any 5 body parts in the notebook. Children, you have to draw any 5 body parts that you can draw easily in your notebook. And please do the coloring also. You can do shading also. Whatever you like most, you can do. But please draw these neatly in your. Children, 2 more activities you have to do in your copies. Activity 1, Activity 2 and Activity 3 has 10 questions. That's I told you just now. 2 more activities I'll give you in the form of images that you have to copy down just like chapter 1 and you have to complete that work in your notebook. Now children, you complete your work. If you have any query, you can ask me, you can call me and please do your work neatly in your notebook and I'm here to solve your every query. Okay children, bye.